Okay, and we're back for part 2 of the EPA1 class lecture for May 18th, Tuesday in the spring of 2021. The first half was about 35 minutes, and I'll try to keep this second half to about the same length or perhaps a bit shorter. So let's begin. Get this out of the way. All right, so we're on page 41 in the book. English for Public Administration book is Business Plus. Book 1, yellow book, orange book. And so number 25 says, listen and repeat the days of the week. I won't use the recording for this. Monday. Repeat. Monday. Monday. Repeat. Tuesday. Tuesday. Repeat. Wednesday. Wednesday. Notice that the E is silent and the D is very soft, and we just kind of say Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Now you always hear me joking about sticking out the tongue, but if you look in this picture really closely, you'll see I say Thursday. If you can look underneath my mustache, it's there. Thursday. 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 Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. I'm really sure you know these. We're just going through it very quickly. And then the months of the year, actually I'm less sure that you're really remembering the month of the year. I've seen folks going, counting on their fingers. January. Repeat. January. February. February. Now notice the R-U is and the A are just kind of blurred together. February. 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 March. March. No Marchi. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. December. December. Now part C is showing dates in the cardinal system. That means July 2. But many people will say numbers in the ordinal version, like first, second, third. They would say July 2nd. So I'm going to say them to you in the ordinal version as it's written, and then I'm going to repeat it in the cardinal version. So I want you to listen and repeat each thing that I say. July 2, 2010. Repeat. July 2nd, 2010. Repeat. August 3, 1996. August 3rd, 1996. Okay, no more sound effects. December 25, 1945. Repeat. December 25th, 1945. February 11, 1966. February 11th, 1966. Now again, you probably heard, and I hope you saw, my TH, my tongue sticking out of my mouth, when I said December 25th and February 11th. Now, the note on the bottom is actually not perfectly correct. It says we write April 1, 2015. We say April 1st, 2015. Well, some people say 2015, and some people say 2015, just like you heard me say. Okay? There's disagreement. It's not by country. It's not by dialect. Just some people say 2015. I think more people say 2015. The first few years in the new century, there was a lot of ands and uncertainties, but now I think most people are saying 2015. Okay, so they indicated that we write April 1, but we say April 1st. Well, not everybody says April 1st. Okay, it does seem a little more proper to me, but there's a lot of people who would still say April 1. By the way, you know what day is April 1, right? It's April Fool's Day. More importantly is this note on the bottom. Somebody might write 1/4. Well, in the United States, we put the month first. Excuse me. We put the month first when we write. So we would write 1/4 is January 4th. But the British usually write the month first in this system, and they would write 1/4 to mean April 1. There's one more step here. Some people write it as 1-4 or 4-1, and it's the same problem. Okay, it's the same problem. And they might write it as 4-1-2021. Okay, so actually in this respect the Korean system is better because it's very clear: year, month, day. 2021.4.1, and there's no question, it's year, month, day. But the Americans and the British do it differently, and so it's confusing, and so you have to check. That's the answer. You have to check. Okay, now lower on page 41 is a listening conversation for audio number 28. Listen to the conversation and fill in the days, months, and dates. Okay, let me remind you, if you haven't heard before, let me teach you. Day, most precisely, day means like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Christmas Day, Easter, Thanksgiving, Buddha's birthday, National Foundation Day, University Foundation Day. Days have the word day inside it. But date means it has a number inside it. So we can see here it says dates, December 25th. Okay, so that's the precise definition. But many people are lazy and they say, "What day is it?" And somebody says, "Oh, it's May 16th." Today, as I'm recording this, it's May 16th. So some people get lazy. Me too. I get lazy. And we say the day when we really mean the date. In this book, when they say date, on your test, if I say date, we want to hear a number. All right? So this is recording number 28. And here we go. Down.
Track 28. 1.
Does the product come onto the market on June 1st?
No, on July 1st.
2.
Are you flying to Tokyo on Monday?
No, I'm flying on Tuesday, and the meeting is on Wednesday.
3.
Your birthday is in February, isn't it?
No, it's on March 22nd.
4.
When is the next workshop?
It's on October 30th.
Okay, did you get those? Well, I want to teach you something if you don't already know. And that is, as good students, you should find out when your professor's birthdays are. And then you should remember them. Now, because of Kim Jong-un, you can't give your professor a gift. That would be wrong. But you can, of course, say, "Hi, Professor, happy birthday," and that would be nice. So I'm going to give you a hint. After we hear the answers, I'm going to give you a hint as to when my birthday is. Just because it's fun and because I'm trying to help you remember that you should remember these things. You should remember your wife or husband's birthday. You should remember your boss's birthday. It's nice if you are working with many clients, you can remember your client's birthday. You find out and you put it in your calendar. All right, so does a product come onto the market on June 1st? No, on July 1st or July 1. Are you flying into Tokyo? Are you flying to Tokyo on Monday? No, I'm flying on Tuesday, and the meeting is on Wednesday. Your birthday is in February, isn't it? No, it's on March 22nd. Now notice this. Your birthday is in February because February is a month. It's long. There's many possibilities, so it's inside February. But it's on Tuesday. And it's on March 22. Okay? In a month, in a year, on a day, on a date. On June 1st. When is the next workshop? It's on October 30th. Now, when is Professor Dickey's birthday? Well, it's on Broken Pepero Day. You know Pepero, right? You know Pepero. Pepero. 1, 1, 1, 1. And we put a dot in here. We say, it's Pepero Day. Well, Professor Dickey's birthday is on Broken Pepero Day. What's Broken Pepero Day? Broken Pepero Day is when you go, I broke the pepero. 1, 1, 1, 7. 17일. November 17th is Professor Dickey's birthday. Now you should remember that, okay? I know, that's next semester. But still, be good students. Remember your professor's birthday. Come on, guys. So far, okay? All right. Next says, fill in the missing prepositions. Part E. So, as I mentioned, in for the year or the month, because we can think it is long, it's large, it can fit inside. But on for day, on for date, doesn't say in that orange box. And then at, if we're talking about a festival time that's maybe not exact. So Christmas is Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. But at Christmas means in the Christmas season. Notice I said in the Christmas season. At means around that time. Just like before, we talked about prepositions of place. At means not exactly, but in that area. At festival time. At festival. And the same way when we're looking at a clock. At 4 o'clock. Okay? So at a Christmas time, which is kind of general, or at 4 o'clock. And then with clock, it could be very narrow and tight, or it could be kind of fuzzy, depending which country you're in. So let's listen to part E, recording number 20. Oh no, there's no recording. So what are the missing prepositions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I give you 3 minutes. Go ahead. Okay, that's 2 minutes. 1 more minute. Okay, let's take a look at the answers. When were you born? In 1996, because it's a year inside. Do you ever give a party? Yes, every year on my birthday, because it's a day. When is your birthday? In May. Didn't say exactly. Could say the 21st of May. What time do you usually get up? At 7:30. When do you usually go shopping? On Saturdays. When do you give gifts? At Christmas. Okay, now remember, for my class, to give an answer that's just correct, like Christmas, that's a C answer. C. And to give a short answer, at Christmas, that's a B. Pew, pew, B. So what I really want you to do is to give me long, beautiful, luxurious sentences. Not too long, but answer the full question with a full answer. When do you usually give gifts? I usually give gifts at Christmas. That, for me, is an A answer. A answer. When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. What time do you usually get up? I usually get up at 7:30. Do you ever give a party? Yes, I give a party. Remember, don't say ever. Ever only for questions, and never. Not ever. Do you ever give a party? Yes. I give a party every year on my birthday. All right, that's page 41. We got about 10 minutes to go here. Page 42. Listening number 29. Listen and number the times that you hear in the order that you hear them. So the first one's been done for you. You can see that the first audio sentence will be 7:35 or something like that. Number 1, it says, it's 25 to 8 in the morning. The answer is 7:35. So last class we talked about times. And I told you, you don't have to say all these different kinds of times. To, until, before, until, of, after, past. But you need to understand them all. And you ought to be able to tell time in at least 3 ways. Okay? So let's play. It's recording number 29.
Track 29. 1,
It's 25 to 8 in the morning.
2,
It's a quarter to 3 in the afternoon.
Quarter to 3.
3,
It's 20 to 7 in the evening.
20 to 7 in the evening. Now, also notice that they're using a 24-hour clock here. All right, times like 1840 means PM 640. Right? Also, I'm giving you a little bit of a break, more time than the recording gives you.
4,
It's 3:30 in the afternoon.
5,
It's 11:15 in the morning.
6,
It's 5:30 in the morning.
7,
It's 7 o'clock in the evening.
8,
It's 20 past 8 in the morning.
9,
It's 8:45 in the evening.
10,
It's noon.
Okay, so I gave you about 3 extra seconds to think about it. In fact, in real life, people would expect you to understand the time and they would move on to the next sentence without that bonus 3 seconds. So you really want to practice your listening. You really want to practice your numbers. Let's take a look at the answers. One, 7:35. Well, it's 8:25. It's 25 to 8 in the morning. 2. Well, let's take a look. Let's find out what the narrative was exactly. It's a quarter to 3 in the afternoon. 14:45. Number 3. It's 20 to 7 in the evening. That'd be 6:40 or 18:40. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. 3:30 or 15:30. Number 4. Number 5. It's a quarter past 11 in the morning. That would be 11:15 a.m. 11:15. Number 5. Number 6. It's 5:30 in the morning. Oh my gosh, that's early. 05:30. Number 6. That's military wake-up time, 05:30. Number 7, it's 7 o'clock in the evening. Well, that's 1900 military time, number 7. Number 8, it's 20 past 8 in the morning. It's 08:20, number 8. Number 9, it's quarter to 9 in the evening. That would be 8:45 or 20:45 in military time. 24-hour clock, military time. And number 10, it's noon. That's easy. It's 12 o'clock. Okay, and the last piece on this page is work with a partner, ask the time. The next part on the page is a 24-hour world map. It's not precise because many countries bend these timelines around their national borders. And some countries actually switch from an hour to a half hour or even 15 minutes. So India, you can see the line near the 17 goes down the middle of India. Well, India actually takes both sides of that and makes their country on a half-hour basis. So from Korea to India is 3.5 hours. Kind of strange, I know. And Nepal, if I remember, uses a 15-minute. So pretty strange. Anyway, we will probably come back to do part H on page 42, and we probably won't do section I. And I think that's enough for tonight. We have finished enough time for this week, and doing things on audio can be tiring and challenging. So we're just gonna stop here and call it a week, okay? As you will remember, the night class on Thursday has to be rescheduled because it's the school holiday. And that day is actually rescheduled for June. I think it's June 15th, but I'm not quite sure. But our Friday class is not rescheduled at this point. Officially, we should have class on Friday. But because of the coronavirus, we cannot be on school. So I'm going to pass the Friday class. We are not going to meet on Friday, but instead we will do either a Zoom or a recording, and the two classes, we can talk about that for the next week, Tuesday. That is May 25th, right? 25, is that right? Let me double check. The next Tuesday is May 25th. So on May 25th, I hope we're back in the classroom. And if we are, we'll talk about how to handle the Friday class and the Thursday that's officially a makeup, because maybe we'll want to do a recording or a Zoom for that. But I hope we can meet face to face and talk about in class what we want to do. All right? So that's enough for tonight. thank you very much. I hope to see you next week on the 25th. Take care.